This is the Glam Bag and BoxyCharm spoiler for May, so if you don't want to see what's inside the boxes, skip this video. Starting off with May's Glam Bag, this has to be one of the cutest bags I've seen. It's so adorable. I love the floral, perfect for spring, honestly, but I'm so excited to see what's inside. First up, we have the ELEMIS Pro-Collagen Green Fig Cleansing Balm. I have this at home and I'm absolutely obsessed with it. Whenever I have to travel, I'll just pop it in my suitcase. The balm is so nice and it just takes your makeup off so effortlessly. This is perfect to have. For the next product, we have the Half Caked palette. I'm really excited for this because I love my eyeshadow palettes. This is absolutely stunning. I feel like it covers the perfect shades from the neutrals. This can be perfect for your eyeshadow as well as blush. Definitely going to add this into my palettes for the springtime. Next up, we have the BLISS Blemish patches with tea tree oil, which I love tea tree oil because it's so great for your skin. They're just so easy to pop on your face and it can just get rid of those blemishes. Next up, we have the PURLISSE Beauty Exfoliating Mask. I have been looking for a good exfoliant, especially for the springtime, so very excited to use this. And lastly, we have the MAISON Louis Maria No. 14 fragrance. I'm really excited to try this out. It smells so nice and fresh. I am so obsessed with everything from the bag to the products. Perfect for May, so May is not ready for me, so I'm very excited for this. Now, without further ado, let's get into BoxyCharm. Okay, I just unboxed my BoxyCharm. For the first product, we have the Niablend Serum Concealer. I've never tried a serum concealer, so I'm very excited for this. Also, the packaging is so interesting. I'm obsessed with it. And the product though, and I love this little box that it comes in. It's so cute. Next up, we have the Glow Recipe Watermelon Hue Drops. I feel like this is on everybody's wish list. This I am so excited about. Also, don't be frightened by the pigment. It blends in seamlessly, giving you a natural glowing look. Next up, we have the Huda Beauty Faux Filler Lip Gloss. I love how this looks. It's so beautiful. Something I love about lip glosses is I love a large applicator. I just think it's so nice and applies so seamlessly. I love this. It looks so glossy, so natural, and so perfect for spring. Okay, next up we have the RODIAL Pink Diamond Lifting Oil. This is packed with vitamin C and perfect for summer to give you that glowy look. I love this bottle. It's so beautiful and it's gonna look perfect on my vanity. Okay, lastly in the box we have the Mally Beauty Face Stick. Okay, first off, it's gorgeous, and let's give it a nice swatch to see what she looks like. I love this so much because it gives you that nice shimmer, but it also gives you a perfect touch of pink. And when you blend it, it almost feels like it's turning into powder, so it is just so nice and can blend so easily on your cheeks. This was May's Glam Bag and BoxyCharm spoilers. I am beyond obsessed with everything from the bag, the cutest print ever, to all the amazing products. Thank you so much for watching me unbox all these amazing products, and let me know which is your favorite product. Also, do not forget to subscribe to IPSY to stay in the know. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.